Hello, Ghost Killers. Welcome to something new for screwing around. It's Terraria. This game is like a 2D Minecraft, sorta. A little, maybe. This is my house. This guy freaking stole my house. Actually, I built a house for him. And now we're going in the sex dungeon. It's not finished. 2 friends are in a party. Good for them. Whee! So this is my world, my character Cheese. Focus. Yeah, it gets blurry. Focus. I don't care if he's in the party. Okay, we're just gonna play like this. So I got my umbrella. Oh yeah, I'm also a magician. Pew! Pew pew! Fireworks. I'm like Katy Perry. Come on, show us what you're worth. I actually like penguin because I can just fly with my umbrella. So I got this free for PlayStation Plus. The greatest thing known to mankind, other than toilet paper and sex. These fucking birds. Pass off. No one likes you. Now we're gonna go into a dungeon, which I'll possibly die. Ooh, the music getting funky. Drop them fat beats. Crap. Get out. Okay. Wait, is this a good one to explore? This is that one that goes like really deep. I think it is. It is not. Dang. We're going back up. Yeah. I can't even get out. Time to die. Star. Dropping them fat beats, y'all. Oh no, I'm dying. Oh no. Star. Die with my brother. I'm shark food. For who? Shark Boy and Lava Girl? That was a stupid movie. Do 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 do. There's a bunny. He's gonna fall in my pit. I'm gonna call it the dish. Crazy. Oh wait, I can just do this. Is this it? This cannot be it. That was fast. This is it. Okay, we're gonna explore this dungeon because it's better. Fudge it. This game is fun. You need to buy it. Going down with my torch in my hand. I can't even see. I try to look over the camera, but it gets so annoying because the phone's in the way. Crap. Whee! I also got glow sticks. Dude, it can be like a freaking party. Wait, no. I gotta go this way. Dang it. Jump. Jump. Make your hope. Listen to the beat on your feet. I never understood that song. Hey. I don't care if he's joined a party, okay? It's like the third party. People just keep kicking him out. Burp, 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 burp. Chill, that almost killed me. It sounds like GTA. Like the GTA 5. Piss off, Slimer! Do. There's a mouse. That mouse has been there for like a long time. Gotta use my cactus pickaxe. Okay. Gotta go around. Where are we at so far? Oh, dude, I think we're going to HEO hockey stick or the underworld. I want to. Ah! Going down. Going down, down, down. Is this where it stops? Don't tell me it just stops. I'll dig to you. I'm a dig. I'm coming for you, Satan. I have not seen. I've seen one boss, and that was Skeletron. The guy was like, "You're too weak to relieve me of my curse." I was like, "Oh yeah, bet you I can do it." And he freaking wrecked me. Can't see crap. There you go. Imagine just digging. This is the first rule in Minecraft you do not do, except I do it like every time. Dig in a hole. How am I gonna get out? Oh, I got enough blocks. Plus, I got the climb boots on. Oh, God! Do I have a... Oh, I do. Oh, sweet, I found ores. And I found a hole. Dang, this thing is deep. I found gold, too. I can see it out of the corner of my eye. Where's that iron? Please tell me it's gold. I want to be a throne. Oh, yeah, we'll take a tour of my house later. It's pretty big. It's got like a bar and everything. It's got an outhouse. It's pretty fun. And if I can get a camera, it can be like Total Drama Island, where I can just sit in there and be like, blah, 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 blah. That is gold. I gotta drop something. Oh, I didn't place the... I didn't place the dresser. Digging for my gold, girl, yeah, yeah. Digging for my gold. Everybody's digging for my gold. Doo-doo. Everybody's digging for his gold. Everybody's Wayne Chung in my gold. Everybody's Wayne Chung in his gold. Deep in the world tonight. Okay. How deep does... Oh, hold on. Look, you can see cheese. Look at that. Oh, here's my house. Look. Okay. So I gotta show you out. There's the... Oh, you can't even see that. There's the dungeon. There's a little pit right there. That little square thing, that's the outhouse. Right there's the bar where that guy's head is. And right there is where everything is. That's the living room with chains. That's the bathroom. There's 2 pits, and that's it. Oh, yeah, where's the other house? The cactus house. Everything is made out of cactus, from the door to the wall to the floor. Even my armor. That's amazing. You can get cactus armor. Oh, is that gravel? Looks like gravel. Oh man. It's getting deep. Chill, it's a giant worm. Yeah, come. Do that again. You did, okay. There's purple stuff. But why? Well, as we end this episode in this cave, I have to say thank you so much for watching Ghostkillers. My name is the Ghostkiller 987, and I will see you next time. Ew.